everyone, this is Bindita and welcome back to my channel The Virtual Girl. So this is going to be my first video of my channel. Yes, I did a previous one. That was mainly an introductory one, and this is going to be my first video. So just to let you know that a few months back I got married. Yes, so every memory, every preparations, every anxiety is there in my mind, and every memories are quite fresh, you know. So हम सोच रहे थे कि क्यों ना हम थोड़ा सा हेल्प कर दूँ मेरा सब्सक्राइबर्स का. हाँ, so that is why I am going to start a wedding series on my channel. So basically I will be making total 4 videos on the preparations of an Indian wedding. So today is the first one. Today will be the part 1 of that series, and I will be making 3 more consecutive videos under the series. Many congratulations to all the beautiful brides out there. This video is specially curated for you girls only. So be ready with a pen and a notebook with you. And before that, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you always get notified. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. So the first point is, what are the most important things that a bride needs to carry in their purse on their wedding day? देखो, शादी तो एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट दिन होते हैं, क्योंकि उस दिन देयर आर सो मेनी रिचुअल्स एंड यू विल बी सराउंडेड बाय सो मेनी गेस्ट्स. सो इफ यू नीड एनीथिंग, विल यू बी रनिंग हियर एंड देयर टू फाइंड दोज थिंग्स? डेफिनेटली नॉट. सो दैट इज़ वाई एकदम पहले से तुम्हारा पर्स को एकदम ठीक तरीके से अरेंज करके रख दो. तो चलो देख लेते हैं कैसे हम लोग अरेंज कर सकते हैं. Generally brides do carry this type of clutch or potli, and these are the things that generally brides need to carry in their purse. So first we have lipstick and compact if makeup needs any kind of a fix. Then we have a safety pin and hairpin if hairband or sari needs to be adjusted. Then we have perfume so that every time the bride feels fresh. Then we have some emergency medicine of digestion and headache. Then we have tissue paper and band-aid, and the bride may carry her phone. So now we will put all together into this bag. So let's do it. I'm putting everything in the bag. So another part is that हम लोग जानते हैं कि स्पेशली इंडियन वेडिंग में बहुत सारा चीज़ें होते हैं, लाइक संगीत, मेहंदी. फॉर बंगालीज देयर इज़ आईबुढ़ो भात, द मैरिज डे, फिर विदाई, फिर रिसेप्शन. देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ रिचुअल्स, राइट. और उस रिचुअल्स के लिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग का जब बैग पैक करते हैं, जब हम लोग वो साड़ीज़, ज्वेलरीज, ये सब जब अरेंज करके रखते हैं, तो जनरली ये तो हम लोगों को शादी का जो एक हफ्ता पहले सब कुछ कर लेना चाहिए. तो उस टाइम जनरली लोग क्या करते हैं, वो सारा साड़ीज़ और जितना ज्वेलरीज है सब कुछ अलग अलग करके रखते हैं. जैसे पूरा ड्रेसेस एक बैग में, सारा ज्वेलरीज दूसरे बैग में, फुटवेयर तीसरा बैग में. अगर आप ड्रेस, एक्सेसरीज सब चीज़ों को अलग अलग करके रखोगे तब प्रॉब्लम यही होगा कि जब आपको रेडी होना पड़ेगा तब उस टाइम यू विल नीड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, बिकॉज आपको एक बैग से साड़ी लेना पड़ेगा, दूसरा बैग से एक्सेसरीज लेना पड़ेगा, तीसरा बैग से फुटवेयर लेना पड़ेगा. तो दैट इज़ वाई आई विल सजेस्ट, प्लीज़ डू नॉट डू दिस वन. बट you need to pack your bags according to the ceremony. Like for Sangeet, we will prepare one bag. In that bag, I will be putting the sari or the lehenga that we'll be wearing, the accessories, the footwear, everything. So before the rituals, you'll just need to open up the bag and then put everything on and get ready. In that case, you can save a lot amount of time. So point number 3 is, please don't do impulsive buying. Yes, please don't do impulsive buying. Just buy those things that are really necessary. बिकॉज़ क्या होता है ना, हम लोग इतना कुछ खरीद लेते हैं कि बाद में जाके लगता है कि सही नहीं किया मैंने. So that is why I am telling this, because maybe after some months or after some years, those stuffs will be old-fashioned. You will not be liking to wear those stuffs. So अभी उतना चीज़ खरीद के क्या फ़ायदा. And और एक important thing is, please don't get stitched all of your blouse one at a time. क्योंकि क्या होता है, शादी के बाद मैक्सिमम लड़की थोड़ा सा तो वेट गेन कर ही लेती है, तो उस टाइम प्रॉब्लम यही होता है कि वो ब्लाउज फिट से हम लोग को फिट नहीं आते. सो दैट इज़ वाई आई विल सजेस्ट दैट प्लीज़ डोंट डू लाइक दैट. And here comes the 4th tip, that is what we need to try and what not before our wedding. We all love to wear that heavy lehenga, that bling stilettos on our wedding day. But it will be a very good practice if we can wear them at our home before our wedding. तब क्या होगा, हम लोग समझ पाएंगे कहीं पे कुछ छुप तो नहीं रहा है, कहीं पे कुछ डिस्कम्फर्ट तो नहीं फील हो रहा है. So that what I will suggest that please wear those dresses or accessories before your wedding. Here comes what you should not do. First thing is, please don't eat a lot of spicy food or a lot of junk food. It can really affect your internal system as well as your skin. We need to take care of our health before our wedding, so that we need to take a lot of fresh vegetables, fruit juice and enough water, so that we can get hydrated from within, and that can reflect on our skin also. Another tip is, don't experiment with your skin. Don't use any skincare product that you have never used, because you never know that that product will suit you. You never know that that product can cause irritation, that product can cause rashes on your skin. Then what will you do? So don't experiment with your skin before your marriage. Here comes the 5th one. Things to do on your wedding day. Get your phone charged so that you can use them all day long, because you can get phone calls, your friends can call you for the location of the venue, some can call you for just congratulating you, and for that reason your phone should be properly charged, and you should hand it over to someone you trust, maybe your best friend, your sister, your cousin, mainly whom you can trust, so that he or she can pick up your call on behalf of you. Another tip is, get yourself ready before the guests come. Yes, ऐसा होते हैं कभी कभी कि गेस्ट्स आ जाते हैं लेकिन ब्राइड्स तभी भी रेडी हो रही है. That doesn't look good, right? So for that, एक प्रॉपर टाइम चूज़ कर लेना पहले से मेकअप आर्टिस्ट से बात करके, और सही टाइम पे रेडी हो जाना, so that you can get ample amount of time for the bridal photoshoot. क्योंकि क्या होगा, बाद में जब सारे गेस्ट्स आ जाएंगे तो आपको सारा ग्रुप पिक्स लेना होगा, सबके साथ बात करना होगा. Then you will not get so much time for bridal photoshoots. So get yourself ready at perfect time so you can get some amazing photos. So that's all for today. I know there are so many girls who are going to get married within 5 to 6 months, and I think this video can be helpful for them. So all the very best to all my upcoming brides. If you like this video, then please give it a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support me. You know, this is a new channel and I need everyone's support so that I can continue. चलो आज के लिए यहीं पे ख़त्म करते हैं. See you on next day with a new topic on Indian wedding. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Mwah.